Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play games on Steam even though you don't have them in the library or even though you don't bought them and have them on a different platform. So in order to do this, we'll need to click on Add Game while we're in the library on our Steam client. From here, add a non-Steam game. This list should pop up, and from this you should be able to pick the games you want to add to your Steam. So let's add Diablo Immortal. Now let's try finding it in our library. Here it is. Now if we play it, we should be able to get the Steam overlay, and our friends should see us playing this game in our Steam with this name. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.